All right. Okay, the template works. The template works. I don't know. I was going. How was your Monday? Oh, it's Tuesday? Seriously? Okay. Okay, how was your Tuesday then? I was under the impression that it was Monday. I felt like Gerald to Frivia 111. Hello. Thanks for the follow, man. I'm doing good. It went well. What are we doing today? So today we are building an app from scratch. It's a productivity app. It's a simple app actually, not a complex one. So it will have like 4 screens probably, one splash, one is an idle state, one is a timer, one is a block list. You press the start button, it will start the timer until it gets finished. You won't be able to access this domain anywhere from the app or the browser. Yeah, basically we will block the domain. That's it. Simple, I guess. But let's try build that. All right, we'll go with 3.1 and we will bump the Gradle version. Can the app be closed when the timer is running? Yes, you can close the app, you can uninstall the app. If you uninstall the app, you won't be able to access the website forever. You will need to install it again and click the stop button to undo that. Compose version 1.0.4 is there. Okay, we can move with that. Anything else I need to bump? The app is live on GitHub. I'll post the link in the chat. Maybe you can look at the structure, in case if you want to look at the structure. Wanted to know that because we would need a service for that feature. Am I right? No. Yes, we will need a service. No, we won't need a service. We'll need a worker. We won't need a service there. By the way, this app will need root permission. I'm thinking, am I going to test this? Is there any way to root the emulator? How to get root access on Android emulator? Good question. No, not like this. I need root access. How to root Android emulator? Suppress you, change file, latest version. Okay. Here is alternative backup link provided by XT user. Root permission, we will be modifying the etc host file to block the domain. Yep, that's dangerous, but that's how we are going to do this. Gerald to Frivia 111. What's your real name, or what should I call you if you are there? Rohit. Nice name. All right, so I don't know how I'm going to test this. I have a routed device, but that's here, that's there. I don't know how am I going to test this, but anyway, we'll see. So how do I, yep, root an emulator provided by XDA user for flashable ellipse if the main link is not working. Okay, install the super SU APK. Okay, just do drag and drop if analyzer. Okay, after installing it, when you run it, shows a screen that as shown below. Okay, indicating there is no this error just confirms the device is not neutral. Blah. Make emulator system partition writable. Okay, as it suggests, we need to give the emulator permission to write system files. Type the following code to accomplish this. Okay, if you have more than one AVD, you can get a list of AVDs by using the command. Okay, pushing SU binary in system directory. This looks way, oh my god, is there an easy way to do this? Here is a list of commands you have to run while the emulator is running. I test the solution for an AVD on Android 2.2 emulator 2011. No, it's not going to work, at least in the latest version. It doesn't look so. Please include the relevant parts of your blog post. Okay, for AVD with 5.1 and 6.0, I used NextScript in Windows. What is NextScript? Yo, what productivity app you are creating? I don't know if it can call as a productivity app. It basically blocks the domain. I have already explained it. I'm lazy to explain it again. I think you got it. Like, you press the button, timer will run. You can't access the domain until the timer gets finished. That's it. Let me know if you need further explanation or anything. You can block site for some time. Okay, yeah, I heard about it in previous stream. Yeah, I had to close it for some reason. All right, now we need to root our emulator first. We have steps. This is from 2014. I think that won't work. We'll have to go with this one. Super SU chain for your latest version. Let's get this bad boy. Latest version. Yeah. Download. Okay, there is so how you are starting, like what is your approach first? I don't know. I don't know what my approach is. I'll just start it. Like I don't know. I'll show you. I don't have any idea what I'm doing. So okay, there is a link that Rohit has pasted. Let's see that. Did I open it? Routing the Android Studio AVDs. Oh, there is a shell script, but it's pretty old, 2017. A quick guide on how to root Android Studio's AVD required files. Required files can be found in this repository. Okay, you need the Android stick and fresh new AVD. For this case, you'll call it root AVD. Wait for boot, restart AVD, install super user APK, push SU and update permission. What do you mean by push SU? Run SU or push SU? You will have to pick the corresponding architecture arc. Okay. Okay, that looks like a task. That's a to-do. If you need root perms, we can't put this on Play Store, right? Why can't we figure out another approach to block the same? If we find, I mean, there will be some option to do this, but obviously the system can override that. Like, you know, for example, I block Twitter for 1 hour, and if I need to open that, if I can't control my urge, I will probably uninstall the app and go to the system and override the setting somehow, or you know, I don't want to do that. This is not for public purpose, I guess. I mean, most of the people doesn't have a routed device. Yeah, not for Twitter. Definitely not for Twitter. Probably for YouTube, you know, where we spend most of the time, where we waste most of the time. Instagram, Facebook, you know. All right. So, yep. We will not root the emulator today. We'll be setting up the repo. Yeah, we are going to do MAVM. I don't know if it's the if you can call that a proper MVVM, but anyway, I'll modify the structure a little bit. We'll have some contracts, but before that I need to make sure we have all the dependencies upgraded. 21, 31, yep. Today's 26. All right, that looks good. Try the app one more time. Sorry, I already initialized the report. What am I doing? Bum bits. All right. Now we'll go to splash screen. We'll create a file called splash contract. Splash contract will have view state. Interactor, there won't be any interactions, but there will be a splash view action. I made use of the GPM tool for a project recently. You saved me a bunch of time and kudos. That's good to hear, man. That's very happy to hear that. Very happy to hear that. What do we call this? Go to main, maybe. So yeah, let me explain a bit about this structure. So splash view state are something, you know, for example, if you are loading a feed, there will be 3 view state, like loading, success, error, if you are making some API calls, I mean. And if there's a button, and like for example, if you are building a login screen, and probably there will be button like login button, so there will be a login interaction, and view action is when you want to fire an event from the view model to the UI, something like show a toast or navigate to a different screen, like that. So yeah, basically we state to view model to UI interaction, interactors to UI to view model, and this is to view model to UI for one-time events. That's it. Now we will create, we'll need a base package here, not inside I may be or util. Let's create a package here. I call base. We'll have something called base view model, and this will be extending the view model. Oh, what did I do? Sorry. And we'll be accepting 3 params. One is view state, interactors, and view action. Sorry, view action. All right, and we will have a we'll have a method called emit view state, which will be accepting view state via subject. This is a to do, and we'll have a method called emit view action va, that also to do, and we will have something called view action. This will be a mutable event flow of VA. This should be a shared flow, and we'll have another argument, another member called view state, and this could be null. Yep. Right. Here we'll say view state dot value equal to view state. Sorry, what's happening? Oh, sorry, it's VS. Okay, and we'll have the call view action value. Sorry, I should have try emit. Yep, view action. All right. Now, we'll go to our splash screen first, and we'll ask. Wait. Not splash screen. Splash view model. We'll ask to base view model, and here we'll say splash view state and splash interactor and splash view action. All right, and we will have an abstract method called on interaction, and to be accepting. So he said, thanks for the follow, welcome to the party. Oh, okay, all right. It will be accepting interactor. Sorry, interactor fun. Sorry, fun. All right. Abstract fun should be an abstract class. Yep. By default it's open. Yeah, that's right. And we will look at the splash view model here. We wouldn't be using version name here. We won't be using the splash finish flag. We will use this duration, but for now Yeah, let's keep it there. So no external interaction. Splash is not interactive. It will show for 1.5 seconds and move to the dashboard just like any other app. Here we'll say emit view action, go to main, and inside the splash screen, yeah, we might need view state. We'll say it'll be a data class loaded. That's not a good name. Yeah, not this. Yeah, so now it will have a version number or version name, and we will be not use state, man. Yep, that's cool. And we'll fire the action here. Loaded. It will be what was the previous value here? Why the get is not enabled? It's enabled, right? Why the changes are not showing here? Okay, we'll need this one or this. And put it there. Okay, cool. Now we will go to the screen. viewModel.viewState.observe or collect as state, and we render the version name first. No, it's not. It's called viewState. Okay, now viewState dot version name. Why I can't access it? View state. Where is view state? Oh, I think I need to check the. Yep. Maybe I'll say if view state is loaded, view state dot version name. I hate that. What if I replace this with when? I still need to cast it like that. Yes. Okay. But that's fine. Alright, now we have the version name. Now we need to observe the view action. View action. So view action is a shared flow and it needs a default value. We can pass. What if I put this as a null? still need to pass value. Yes, it can be nullable. Maybe if I put this here, still can pass nullable, right? Yeah. Yep. And if view action is go to main, I would say on slash finished, or yeah, on slash finished, and probably we'll have an app controller call here. We might not call pop back stack, rather Eric Empire, thanks for the follow. All right, yeah, we will pop the backstack using the builder method. I think we have pop up to, and we can pass the same route, whatever. Move to dashboard. Yep, inclusive, no, maybe we'll say screen.splash.out and inclusive here. No, here, yes, inclusive true. All right, now we hit here, we go here, we come here, and yep. All right, maybe we'll create a file like app navigation. These things going out of my mind. Maybe I have done nothing like this to show a splash screen, but the way I'm understanding a bit what those seal classes mean, I can share an article. It was called view state. It was from Mark. Yep. Where is it? So it's a are you talking about the view state seal class or the contracts? I mean, there are multiple seal classes, or all. Anyway, here is a article if you want to read more about the approach, I mean more about that design. Basically, the thing is, if you are not using a view state, okay, so it's like if you are using different arguments, I mean different param for each thing. For example, suppose we are creating a profile screen, okay, and we have profile picture, display name, bio, okay, and yeah, 3 of them. If you are creating 3 live data, we have to update the screen, we'll have to call, we'll have to manage 3 live data, and every time we will have to, if you want to update the screen, we'll have to update these 3 live data. Rather, we can keep one view state, and since it's a data class, we can copy the state and update whatever needed. I know it won't make sense, but here is a good example that you can refer to. It has a profile screen, loading, error, state handling, everything is here. Highly recommended. Yep. All right, now this is my first time doing the contracts kind of style. I wasn't doing view state or anything before. I was just simply following the way I said, handling multiple live data inside view model. Why a seal class for view state instead of just a data class? We can maintain a single data class for the view state, but the issue is, for example, if we are we will have, for example, if you are loading some data from the remote, and we will have a is loading flag, right? Obviously there will be is loading flag. So when someone looks at the code, they need to already know that is loading flag will be true only for the loading state, but not for success or error. There is no contract there. There is no forcing there. I mean, from the compiler side, it is not forced. Like, we'll have to assume it is like that. If we are maintaining a seal class, we can have separate param or argument for each state, making it compile safe or easy to understand, I would say. There is another article about that. I think it's called yes, inside this article itself he explains why we need different no, not this one. Yes, he explained it right here. Yes, it has. I don't know if I made sense. I mean, I'm bad at explaining things, but I understood a bit. It's well architectured. You can look up the article. Yeah, article will give you more information. Probably I might have said something wrong. You can clear it from the article. Anyway, let's continue the journey. Okay, now we have a splash screen. Let's look at the splash. Hopefully it doesn't crash. It's not even running. Okay, I have 5 viewers. That's awesome. All right, we have the splash. We have moved to dashboard. Going back, splash is not there. Pop-up worked. All right, all good. What we'll say finish splash, not finish splash. We'll say setup splash. We have some work like get a logo for the screen. We'll add a to do, get a logo, and all right, that's it. Then now we'll go to dashboard. For dashboard also we'll create something called dashboard contract. I have a live template for creating the contracts. It will get the first word, and yes, we'll put it here and we'll do the rest. Maybe I can give you this live template if you need. Where is live template? Yep, the first one, yep. Where is it? Where is the contract? Okay, it's in the user. It's in the chat. Unrecognized command. Okay, it looks like I won't be able to paste it in the chat. Not a problem. We'll create a text file. We'll put it here. We'll ask create gist, and probably it's a kitty file. We'll call contract. Open in browser, copy URL. Good. Hit it, and here we have. Here is the live template if you want in the chat. All right, let's go. We'll go to the Trello board, and does it have a okay, we are in here, we are here. We'll call this a dashboard. Yeah, dashboard is the correct word, I guess. Does it have a subtask? Checklist. Okay. Navigation. Then we need logo. sorry, what is this? It should be a title. Okay, subtask. What is this? What is this button? Oh, assign. No, it's a one man army. We don't have any others here. Logo. Then what? Logo. That's it. Navigation. Yeah, done. Logo. Then what? We need. Do we need config? Config. Do we need config there? I don't think so. But it's good to have. Maybe we can. No, we don't need that. We need cache. Yes. We need how do I rename this thing? Cache there. So we will need a database. Okay. All right, we will create a new screen, maybe. Let's call 2000. Update it, please. We'll need a new screen, so we will have the select apps screen. How do I lock this? Lock. Okay, cool. It will take more time, so we're not doing that right now. That's a bit too. Yep. All right, so we will need a config. Thoughts on this? What is this? Splash screen. Yeah, I have heard about this, but I haven't tried it. So what are we doing here? Splash background, animation icon. Okay. On pre-draw listener. That's for the animation, I guess. And the animation, how's the output? Oh, that's cute. Looks good. I don't know about the APIs. I haven't tried. All right. We will need config for what? You will ask. To manage the versions, so you will ask why not Firebase remote config. I don't know, I'm going to because we'll need to have a remote database, so we will use Google Sheets. So docs.google.com to show. We'll create a new sheets. Okay, we have a new sheet. So we'll call it focused. Okay. Jackson, how's it going, man? Android X support is there for new Splash API. Have you tried that? How's the developer experience using the Splash API? Alright, we'll have a column here. We'll call this key and value. We'll check the a blog post. Alright, latest version will be, so where is the focused config setup? Yep, dashboard. We'll move to do. We'll set up the config first, so we can. Where is the sheet? Okay, latest version will be version code. Latest version code. All right. Latest version code. Mandatory version code. Good luck, man. I may check stream later. Gotta go. Yeah, sure. Thanks for coming. See you sometime later. What the heck is this typo? Okay, we're going to set up the network module. Then we will get retro sheet. We'll need Jetpack. Before doing that, I'm going to add the build source is not needed. Okay, we'll say, or do we need build source? No, we don't. It's a single module app, so network module is there. I'll call this module, and we will need retrofit first. I think we have that now. Then we will need yes, Moshi is needed. Yep, we will then need the retrofit converter also, I guess. Then how do I add Moshi Kotlin? Where is the capped? Yep. Yep. 1, 2, oh. Version, no, version. Yep. G string. Moshi version cap. Right. This should be here, and we will have a retrofit version. What keyboard are you using? Keyboard is a cheap one. Here is the link. Yeah. So 2.9.0, maybe we can play with a yeah. Yep, that's good. Yep. All right, retrofit 2.9, this string and this string should be here. Okay, that looks good. So if you are wondering about the stack, just explain. So UI will be using Compose, DI, Hilt, navigation, Jetpack navigation. Networking will be done by retrofit. JSON parsing will be done by Moshi, and the key player here, retroshade, we will use that to fetch the the values here as a JSON. Latest version 2.beta 03. It's 3 or 3. Okay. Sheet, Google Sheet, access. It's a word. Okay. Looks good. Looks good, I think. Right, we'll go here. First, we'll create the OKHTTP instance because we need to attach the interceptor. Provide OKHTTP client. We need an OKHTTP client here. Come on. Oh, we didn't sync. Or we need to explicitly ask for OKHTTP. It won't come as part of retrofit. Oh, yes, it's there. Ninad MG, how's it going, man? Thanks for the follow. So we'll call the builder, and now we will write for provide retro sheet interceptor. Retro sheet. Okay, we didn't add zip pack, I guess, and we should add that here. It should be in the clipboard. Yep. Let's give it a sync. Retro sheet interceptor builder build. Okay. We'll enable the logging for now. Then we'll add the sheet. Sheet name is config. Config is there, and we need to add the okay, we'll say key then value. Maybe we can create we can move this to I don't know if we need to move that. That's fine. We'll attach the interceptor there. Then we will start build the retrofit instance, which needs maybe HTTP client. We'll retrofit. Yep. We'll say retrofit dot builder dot build. First, we need to provide the base URL. How do we provide a base URL? We click on the share button. Then we go here, copy this, we paste it here. We can remove these. Yep. And we will say client. Okay, HTTP client, converter factory, Moshi. We need to provide a converter factory, right? No. Moshi with retrofit in Kotlin. Anything special in here? Okay, Moshi converter dot factory. Nothing much. Moshi convert autocorrect, autocomplete. Please come in. No. We do not have that there. We have the converter Moshi here. Why is that? What's the package name? Maybe we'll copy this, paste it here. Wow, what was the issue then? Typo? No, It's a studio issue, I guess. Whatever. Thank you. And we have the converter here, we have the retro sheet, we have HTTP client. Now what do we need? We need the DTO. So how do we create that? We will go here, we will create a file called config. This config is a DTO. We'll say command K, no, command shift K, no, command alt K, no, control K, shift K. How do I open the converter like this? Listen to Kotlin. What was the shortcut? Oh, option K. No, whatever, we'll fix that later. For now we need this. Okay, so we are expecting a model like this. Key will be a string. That will be something like latest version code. It doesn't matter. So we'll go like this, we'll call it config, we need val, we non-nullable, and maybe auto-determine, but yeah, auto-determine. Down init with default value is good. Moshi code gen, yep. Okay. We'll generate that. We now need the API interface. We'll create API interface. Let's call it API. And we'll say get what? Get, we'll call config. That's the table name. We will create a constant, or we'll create inside the core. We'll create a new package called we call retro sheet. This will be a object. We'll keep all retro sheet related things here. Table config, name is config, and yeah, that's it, I guess. Retro sheet dot table config. Go to the network module. We'll also modify it here. Retro sheet table config. Then we go here, say get config, and we need the flow adapter here. So how do I add the flow adapter? We call boil add flow, and yes, retrofit flow. Yes, that's it. So it will give us these classes, the flow call adapter. Why do I need that? Because I need to return it as a flow, and flow, yeah, coroutines flow, that's it. Resource, yep, and yes, like this. And this is a key value, so I don't have to write the query over there. I think so. We'll give it a try, but we have the adapter here. It complains about the resource. We'll remove this. Get the resource, please. Yes, get it please. Probably this is happening because of this. No, why is this happening? Let's look at the resource class first. It's a CL class. It has 4 states: idle, loading, success, resource, the usual stuff. And we need, what's the issue here? We're returning a source of R. R is here. Do we need R here? Now what? Required string. No. What is this error? Oh, that is the issue. So I think we need to call resource dot success data and oh okay. I think I modified the resource file, but I didn't modify the this template. Maybe we'll do that. Data and null. Okay, now you also should come from resource. You also should come from resource. Okay, now we have modified the class. Let's update it so that I can use it later. Boil open, not the Google Sheet. I need the repository. So files, we will have the flow call adapter. We will come here. We will, okay. Yeah, we will do this, and there should be a duplicate package name. No, that's fine. Okay, resource, util resource. Oh, okay, that makes sense. I think we moved the resource to util package before. Let's see where is the resource. Yes, resource. What's your target package? Yes, util. So that's why we got some compile time error or build error. Okay, this will go fetch it from the util package, rest fetch it from the call adapter. Yep, that looks fine. We'll commit the changes. That's it. Template updated. Now the adapter factory. Okay, you also have the wrong path, I guess. We'll fix that too. Adapter factory. We'll go here. We will get the, yeah, it's like get it from the util. Don't call KT. No, that's fine. Yep, cool. I'll give it a try. Delete the package. Metropad is nice username. Welcome to the party. Thanks for the follow. All right. All right. Yes, we'll do that again. We'll call boil add retrofit flow. Yes, those 3 files. Please get it. exist. Okay, that's cool. The other two files, were you able to pull that? Do we have a build error again? Oh, the resource. But that's okay, we'll fix that in the next project. For now it's fine, I guess. Yeah. Now we'll go to the network module and we'll attach the call adapter. We'll call flow resource call adapter factory and then just pass it. Alright, now we have the Moshi dum. Yep, setup dum. Okay. All right, we'll create config repo. Config repo is a singleton class and it needs API. Yes, it needs API. Yep. All right. Since we need, we'll make this private. Put it in the next line, dude. Yep. We call this get config. API dot get remote config. Maybe we will have a different method to get the config from local. Get local config. The same model. We are not going to use a mapper because this is a very small project, and also the database is controlled by us. We will have only in the DB we'll have only the necessary information that we need to display on the UI. So local config needs to come from shared preference. So shared preference, let's look at the API. Flutter also has something called share preference. There is no guarantee that writes will be persisted to disk. Okay. All right. Anyway, get local config. Let's look at the API. How do we get it? Context, shared preference editor. I need the guide, not the API reference. I think this is the guide. Get a handle to share preferences. Get shared preferences. Use this if you need multiple shared preferences files identified by name. There's an activity window that is one shared preference file for the activity because this retrieves the default shared preference that belongs to the activity. You don't need to supply a name. Okay. The mod readable and mod writable modes have been deprecated since they appear starting. If your app needs to share private files with other apps, it may use file provider with flag and okay. Right to share preference, get the preference, call the edit, call the apply function after we put it here. Okay. We need the context. Okay, so with context we can only call get shared preference, and with activity we can call get preference. We will have the context here. So it is going to be application context, give me the context. Get local config, this can be null. No, it shouldn't be null because this should be called in the splash. Yep. Let's say, okay, I think we need to provide shared preference here, not the context. Yeah, yes. Okay, now here do we have anything related to preference module? Yes, we do have. Okay, you need this. Okay, preference ktx is needed. Let's see. Yeah, the first one, get it. We go sync. We'll have a preference module here. Application component. Since we are using let's go with activity retained component. Activity retain component. Activity. Okay. I mean, this should be a singleton or activity retained. I'm confused. What should be it? Since we are following the single activity architecture, does it make a difference? Maybe when the process kills. No, I don't know. Let's search activity versus singleton component, single activity architecture not needed, single activity. I already visited this, but I need, when it comes to single activity, does it make a difference? No. Anyone talking about activity? No, I'm talking about single activity. No. I already read that. Based on the document, activity return command lives across configuration changes. So it created at the first on create and last on destroy. And when you mark dependencies in an with activity return scope, it guarantees that your object will be singleton and server across configuration changes. Okay, but activity command created on create and destroyed on destroy. Okay. Oh, okay. And when you mark your dependencies in activity component with activity scope, it is guaranteed that your object will be a singleton, but activity component will be destroyed in configuration changes. Actually, we don't need to retain it. Let's keep it to the activity level. Yeah. Yes. I don't know. Or singleton. I'm confused. We'll put a to do here. We'll do some research later and we'll come back to this and we'll put the the correct component here. What was the next one? Application component, singleton component, right? Yep. I'll go with singleton. Okay, you have the preference module, you have the singleton here, okay. This singleton component needs this. What is the difference between these two? I think they both annotate a single object instance, but somehow singleton can be used to annotate methods instead of, as I'm really confused about both of them. Application component being renamed singleton to allow usage of but singleton is a software design pattern. Then are singleton and install effectively the same, because there can be only one singleton. They are not same. Effectively the same, as there are only one instance of the class annotated with the transformation. For example, if a single instance singleton or placed one container, then there can be n instances across n different containers. In that case, the singleton used in Dagger singleton double check the pattern, and in the app you just have an instance. Multi-threading can cause singleton. We'll try this ourselves. Okay, we'll return it. Preference is this. Okay, also it will come back to that. Shared preference dot get string. We'll have a companion object here. We'll say key pref. No. Can I access the build config here? Can I access the application ID here? Okay. Then we'll say db pref. I don't know, I think I already returned. Okay, default shared preferences Okay, this should be git config. What the heck I'm doing? dump me. Let's go back. Key config is there. Then what are we going to say? We will return null, and if it returns null, we'll say get local config return. Okay, sorry, no local config found. We should call get remote config first. Okay, save remote config. This is a strict config repo. Save remote config temp. Okay, we have config JSON here, which hopefully not null. Now we need Moshi here, so we'll say, do we have any dependency related to Moshi? No, we do not have. So what are we going to say? We'll go to the network module. Is anyone watching the stream, or it's just me? Just stream check. Get Moshi return moshi.builder.build. Akirash JPR, thank you, thanks for watching. I thought it's just me. It was pin drop silence. Alright, now we have the Moshi here. We will reuse this Moshi for retrofit also, because otherwise retrofit will create an instance. I think, here the Moshi factory will create an instance. Yeah, we saved some memory, but I don't know if we did, but hopefully I think we did. New line not needed. Network module. Okay, we forgot to install this, so this will install in application. No, base singleton component. Yeah, singleton, definitely singleton. And now we have the Moshi instance inside our repository. Now we can use this Moshi instance to convert the JSON to the model or not. Adapter. Okay, config adapter. What is this? The adapter is not used. I know that. The adapter is not used. Let's say local config. Okay, let's say adapter. Since we are using Kotlin and Moshi CodeGen, I think we can create an adapter. Config adapter or config JSON adapter. Wait a second. Config is a, yeah, looks good. Config JSON adapter or config adapter. We need to go to Moshi. Moshi, help me. Help me, Moshi. Help me. Help me. Help me. CodeGen back jack hand. What is the resulting? No. Enable capped. That's a good point, I guess. Yeah, we have capped. We do have the Kotlin is here. Now good version there. Okay, now we will go here inside taxi because I have a config repo there. Config repo, yes, I know you're there. Config JSON adapter, okay, yes. Why it's not there? We will comment this. We will no. To do this, we will build or sync the project. Come on. Why the Kotlin is not working? Let's manually import this data remote config data remote config. Now, why is that? Let me mute the mic for a sec. Why? Oh, thank you so much. Alright, now we can get back to our JSON parsing task. We have the config JSON adapter here. From JSON we need to parse this. Alright, fail to parse config JSON, okay. Input, we don't have to give the input. Yeah, we can give the input. Input was config JSON. Yep. All right, now let's write this method. Also we have the shared preference. We will call edit, then we'll call put string key config to JSON config. Good boy. All right. I think we don't need to call commit, isn't it? Commit is already action called. Yep. Apply is already called. All right. Okay. Now we have okay, get config. Maybe we can write it like this: extend the API by API, and we don't need no, I'm not going to do that. It's hard to find the method then. Okay, now we have the config repo here. Let's try call that in splash view model. We'll say splash config repo. Wait, config repo, yeah. Pop. Okay. Actually, we don't need the delay there because no one wants to see this splash screen. Who wants to see this splash screen? We already have a delay calling the get remote config. Collect, we will call here when it, here the it is a resource and it have 4 different state. One is idle. This is where we do the initial stuff. If anything we want to do before loading, maybe clear some cache or anything like that, we can do it here. For us, I think we are not doing here for now, at least. Loading, no, we are not doing that either. This is exhaustive. Yeah, it's by default exhaustive because yeah. Loading also, maybe we can show some progress. Yep. So we will add a loading state here. This will be an object because it doesn't have any param, or what do you call it, any data. It's just a state. So we'll say loading, let's say config loading for better readability. Splash view state, this will be config loaded. Yeah, we will have scenario where config fail to load, right? In that case, we'll say config failed to load. Config error, yeah. Okay, all right. Now the advantage of that contract comes into picture now. So we go to the splash screen and okay, this should be exhaustive. Yeah. So where is Martin's blog? There he had a yes, this one. This we need here inside boil so that I can reuse it. We'll create a new file here. Maybe press the dot. No, we can use the so we'll say code. We'll open it through Visual Studio Code, which is faster than IntelliJ in the loading. Okay, what we'll do, we'll push from the master first. And yep, we will also fix that error we faced before. Yeah, this is not needed. Yeah, and we will add a file here called Kotlin standard.kt. This file will contain the standard function that should be in the Kotlin API, but unfortunately it's not. So there is a ticket. We can put the workaround for yep. So we'll add Kotlin std lib plus fix this floor this error. Yeah, it's actually a bug fix, also a new feature. Which one? We'll go with one. We'll push it. Now it's going. Now it's there. The file is there. Just to confirm, I think we also need a package name here. So we'll say package name, which is a kind of like a placeholder, and util.kotlin std. No, that's fine. Package will be util. Do we have? It's that's fine. I guess we can put it in a util package. Yep, that is it. I guess let's just paste this here. Let's see if there is anything needed additional to this. I think it looks good. Yeah, and we need to link this file with a group or a key. So to do that, we'll open the dictionary, Google Sheet, whatever, and we will here we go. We will say std, and we'll say Kotlin std.kt, so that when we say hey boy get files for std, it will pull this file. Okay, let's see if it works or not. Not here. Here. So I'll say std boil add std. It will search for the group. It found the file, and it's a bug, I admit. All file should start with package. Oh, I think GitHub, the cache is not refreshed, I guess. Or we didn't push. We pushed. We didn't push. Oh, we didn't. Add package to std. std. It's a bug fix actually. Fix package. One. Go. Now we will check if the cache is refreshed or not. No, the cache. No. I think it will take 3 minutes to refresh. I think. GitHub raw file cache minutes. Any idea about this? 5 minutes. Okay, there is no way to bypass it. We need to wait for 5 minutes or less. Let's see. Let's see. No, not yet. We'll try our luck from here. No. No. Come in. Control Shift R, Command Alt R, or Shift R, Control R. No, please, fast, move fast. No, bold and std. Let's see. No luck in bold. Now I'm not going to wait for this. I should wait for this, otherwise I wouldn't check this. In the meantime, we can go to Twitter, see if there's any meme. Don't kill my app song. What is that? It's going to a YouTube link. Thank you. Let's look at lyrics. Cool when you kill everything in the row, so I think we need to hear that. Want to become famous? Buy followers and viewers on bigfollowers.com. No, I don't want to become famous. Thanks for spamming my chat. That's fine. Let's go here and see if GitHub updated the file. Not yet. I pushed that file, right? Yes. Okay, we'll count to 3 and we'll refresh and the package will be there. 1, 2, 3. No. I'll copy this. Yes, it's there. Thank God. Okay, we'll call boil at std and y. Yes, it is created and it's there, and yes, the exhaustive thing is there. Did you notice we also have auto signaturing or whatever. Yeah, we need to make this exhaustive so that it will be an error, and we can, implement the rest of the state. Maybe so for both null and config loading, we will show a progress. For config error, we need to show a error view or something, right? We'll do that. So config is loading. What do we need to show? We need a progress, circular progress. Yes. Can I pass the modifier? Can I ask you to align to the center? Maybe bottom and bottom center. Yeah. Can I ask you to like give some margin from the bottom, like maybe 30 dp or something? Yes. And I think we need some fake delay over here, because just to see the progress bar, because Google is faster. We'll add a 2.5 and this is a fix me, it shouldn't be in the commit. Okay, we'll show that, we'll show the progress. For the config error, for now we'll be simply showing something like I think we have error data other, right? View state. No, we do not have. Okay, that's bad. We need why it happened, so we will make this class as a data class. We'll see send the message. Should be a val, should be a val, should be a val. Yep, now we have an error state or message. Yeah, we need to this is, yeah, we need cost expression, cost expression, Kotlin sealed class. You track anything about that? Exhaustive and by sealed class does not work if subject false positive when expression of sealed class is what's new. Conditional branch resulting in implicit cast. We are using 3.1, isn't it? 3.1, yes. And what is this? This is a bug. How are you treating events in composable screens in your apps? Zacchaeus, good question. So for event, we have a mutable event. It's actually a shared flow. Maybe I can show you that. So we have a mutable shared flow with replay 0, which means when you rotate the screen or when the activity is recreated. Yeah, it's a using mutable shared flow or inside state. It's using flow. I don't know if it's the correct way to do that. Do you have a better method or any suggestion to handle this? Yep. So what is this issue here? Copied from the compiler capacity with smart casting and sealed classes. As you see, sealed class B implements an interface A. After a smart cast of A to B, I would expect an exhaustive and comprehension to recur cases for each class. This is exhaustive. I guess saying B.B1 not a B. No. A as B, let it is B.B1. No, this is not what we are looking for. Okay, what is this? Conditional branch result in implicit cast to any. Okay, we have a value class here, we have a steel class here. And declare val.rise with the warning stay. Okay, it's not about the warning. No, I'm not looking for this. False, positive, and next from steel class. No. I have a question to the viewers, if there's any. The question is, inside this splash screen we are actually checking the type here of a seal class, right? And this is a okay, wait a second, we still need that casting, right? Yeah, we still need that. Is there any way I can avoid the casting here? Like, since we already checked it here, is there any way I can call this as viewState.version name, which will autocast, or what do you call it? Smart cast it. Yeah, smart cast doesn't work with sealed. It works in seal class. Probably, I think it's happening because we are using state, I think. Maybe we can say view state as config loaded here, and then I think we don't need this. We still need it. Why is that? Is that a bug, or is there any way to fix that? I mean, in an activity, I think. I'm not sure. Anyway, let's key. What is the reason behind smartcast being impossible? Yeah, smartcast doesn't work as expected. No, it's not. This is not it. I'm not nitpicking, I would just like to understand the reasoning behind this. Imagine the following code. This is Java and another Kotlin file. This compiles okay and ID is happy. Yet if I move the Java class, and this is not what we are looking for. No, not this one. Let's leave it for now, but we'll put a to do here. We'll come back. Why casting needed here? Confused? Yeah, I don't know about that, but let's give it a try. I think we have the internet permission. No, we do not have the internet permission, and this is going to be the false network. We'll fix that, don't worry about that. What is this? cannot be provided without. Oh, we didn't create the API. Network module. Come in, please. Provide API. What do you need? Profit. Since we are not yeah, that's okay. Let's create a new method. No. We need a profit and we will return the API. All right. Okay, I'll try to build it. See what breaks. Launch succeeded. Crashed. Why did you crash? Some stupidity from my side. An operation is not implemented. Huh? Are you sure about this? We'll see. Why experimental Kotlin API? I think everything is stable now. You don't need that extension. I mean, not extension, annotation. Kotlin not implemented error. Probably inside the splash. Why is it showing? Yeah, probably from here. Do we have any info? Oh, it's there. I didn't see. Stop it me. Okay, what was the error, by the way? Get remote config. We give value at traffic table. Okay, let's see what's the error. We will install Timber, which I don't like giving. Oh, Timber should be a debug implementation, right? Timber GitHub. So we are going to integrate Timber. Oh, it should be implementation. Sorry for that. Oh, we need to log. Okay, got it. My mistake. So first one. Okay, we should have Timber here right now. Timber. Okay. Timber live templates. Live template for logging. Easy. Okay. Android dev. Industrial live templates for Timber. Okay. How to Okay. There are two different files included. Timber log with method name. This will log the message with the method name by default. This will log the message normally as Timber usually does. To include the files in the studio, download and copy the file and paste in the following directory depending on your operating system. Okay, depending on your operating system. So we'll cd to this directory. No such. Or probably we need to give the version name. No. No. Where is my studio? Where is studio? Which studio? No. Is this an OPT? Sorry, it's an OPT. No. Mac Studio path. Android Studio on Mac. Tup. How to find it? It should be Android, I guess. What? It's Google? No. Okay. Let's see the path from the SDK manager. Sorry. Which icon is that? See, it's there. Why I didn't see? Sorry. Oh, I was at the root. It's there, but I'm not sure if it's the home directory or what. Okay. Do we have preferences? Yes, we do have preferences. Do we have Android Studio there? No, unfortunately we do not have Studio there, but we have Android here. No, it's the SDK. How do I find the Studio path? How do I find the Studio path? Do you know? Find real part of the shell command, not bin. Absolute path of file via shell. Use real path. No, real path won't work, I guess. Read link. Okay. Which studio? Then I'll say read link. Does it work? Illegal argument. No. Read link. Please help. And read link N file. I think we are not using the wrong link. I would rather use F instead of E so that we can absolute part of the non-existent file. Well, we'll use F not also working. On Mavericks, or did you mean those options were not on OS? Yes, understand by the BSD version. Those options aren't available. As per the BSD reading main page, only the target page. That's SDK path. That is SDK path. Oh, that's 5 years ago. 5 years ago. We better create our own version now. Yep. There is log Kotlin. I think we can duplicate the group. Oh, we can't. Oh, seriously? Can't duplicate the entire group. Okay, no problemo. We will modify the. Yep. We'll modify the live template. No problem. So I think it will be. I think it is the same syntax, right? It's D without this. Okay, so we will keep this in the clipboard. Apply. Let's try with that. Yep. Method name should automatically detected. That's possible, right? The method name Kotlin function name, I think we do not have a function there. That's why we got it. Probably if we try it here, yeah, it works. All right, now let's go modify the other. We don't need this, dude. We don't need that. Damn, this is E. We don't need the tag. Log M. What is log M? Log method name and its arguments. I think we need just DEI. Yeah, that's it. We are good to go. All right. Now let's see. How do I say it dot error data? See here it is smart casted, but in the splash, I mean the compose, when we are using state, didn't smart cast. Any idea why? Anyone? Any idea about that? Frizzy2k, thanks for the follow. Thank you so much. What is the question again? Okay, I'll repeat. So we have a sealed class here. It's a simple one. Resource. We have idle, loading, success, and error. Okay, we are using this here in the view model, and we are directly collecting the flow, and the smart cast is happening here. I mean, it automatically casts to the error so that we can access the error data, right? But when I use the same class inside the compose screen, or when it is a state, I need to manually smart cast it, even if it is, for example, here the view state is loaded, right? But I can't access the version name directly, just like I did in the view model. I need to cast it manually. Do you know the reason? And is there any workaround for this? If yes, you can comment on the chat. I'm thinking, why it's not, it's nullable, but I can make this. Suppose I have suppose it's like this flash view state. Okay, and do I need to cast it? Yes. Why is that? So it's not because of the state, I guess. Or let's try with the same class, not something, a string, and when res okay, and I need to access, when I do access data here, oh, seal class data class, is this because of the object? No. I haven't gotten around to building a compose project yet, so I'm not really sure. Alright, no problem. Maybe we can ask someone. I will remove that screen now. Oh, there is some confidential information right there. Oh, it's good. We will search here. Smart cast not working. Would that help Kotlin smart cast when expression? Okay, person address. It's not a seal class. No, this is not it. But did you see that when I use resource, it worked, right? If I'm using splash view state, and when I say restart version name, oh, wait a second. I think it's because of the state. Probably. Okay. Probably. Okay. So it must be because of this by method. What do we call this? That method. For example, whenever we say view state, internally it calls get value, which is a method which can change here. Yeah, makes sense. So it's not a Kotlin issue. It is an expected behavior. The state can change here. Understood? But it can also cause a a cast exception there. Maybe there is a way to do this. Current view state. Okay, there is a view state. Do we need to do this again? See, that's why we no, maybe we can say x is equal to view state and x dot version name. Yeah, but x is useless here. Yeah, I mean, I don't know how we should tackle this problem. The workaround is to declare a immutable variable just above the when statement, or we can say like this, and every time we'll have to call it like this, you know, value, sorry, view state dot y value is not working here. Sorry, okay, we put it wrong. Dan Ruben, thanks for the follow. I think I met the followers goal. It's 70. Thanks everyone. Thanks for all the support. All right, so so we need to find a way here to tackle this. We can call value, but I don't like it either. Every time I need to access, I need to cast it anyway. So the workaround is to use it's like we can't balance it. Either we need to cast it or we need to declare a variable to make it immutable. No, I'm not going to use this. Sorry. And view state is config, view state or config loaded. Okay, that's okay. All right. Let's try the app. See what's going here. View splash contract will have a different view state here. This will say what do you call a version, older version. Okay, let's call this legacy version. No, it will be a view action, but we'll figure that out, but not now. Yeah. What happened? Okay, I think the network call also succeeded. No, there was a socket operation not permitted. We have the internet permission here, right? The endpoint works. This also works, I guess. I hate when Mac opens the CSV in the that thing. cd downloads cat data. Yeah, it has the data. So what exactly is blocking here? Socket exception. I don't think that should happen. Yeah, it happens. Why? What is EPERM? EPERM. Right. Okay, operation not permitted, 232 watts. All I need to do was uninstall the app from the emulator, physical 100% run it again. Seriously, that's it. We'll call purge. Okay, purge won't work because the path has changed. Now we need to fix the path, but no. We'll simply, we have an extension, we have plugin here, right? Uninstall app. Yes. Uninstalled or not? Let's look at the, yeah, I think it's uninstalled. It should have given this little toast or something. All right, 001. Okay, now it's a different error. Required value key is key missing at, okay, the key is missing. How is that possible? First we'll go to the config sheets format first. I need to verify that we are following the same format. Key value. All right, okay, and that should be in text. We have too many tabs. We need to, it's time to clear, go away. Okay, now we'll call to text, otherwise it will treat as a, yep, yeah, cool. Delete drop. Okay, now we have a string there, we have a key here, we have value here. We also need to look at the API structure. Yep. API interface. Yep. So here we have, yeah, it's simple, like get key values enough, I guess. Okay, it should work, but for some reason it failed. But how it reach here? It shouldn't reach to home if there is an error. So we should go to main only if it's success. Okay, and if it's an error, we should report the error. All right, we can do that. Okay, transforming body to key value. Okay, mandatory version code, it's a int again. Required key, oh, it's a different format. No, it's not. Why? What is a different format? Key value true no, we do have keys there. Let's go to the API here. Let's go to network module, interceptor. We also need to look at the network module, I guess. What is the config? Yeah, that's it, I guess. Oh, okay. That makes sense, because since it is a key value, we are not returning key values. We'll be returning. Okay, this makes sense, makes very much sense. So the issue is not at the remote, it's at where we defined it. Yeah, here. So yeah, it should be something like this: version code and mandatory version code. Int, we don't need the value, so we can maintain a structure like this. Okay, got it. Makes sense. Let's give it a try, see if it crashes or not. No, it looks fine. We should be at home. Okay, cool. So now that is done. Now we haven't seen, yeah, config loaded. No, we can't say that. All right. I think this should be here. This should be a data class, and yeah, this should be also here. Version name will be there for those two states. Or do we need to create a common view state to load the view state? I mean version name, to show the version name. I don't know if that's a good approach, because I sound sleepy, isn't it? No, it shouldn't be like this. We are missing something here. We are missing something here. Or it should be like this. Why using seal class for the state? I'll show you. I might have a good reason. Yes, this was already discussed in the chat. I will copy the link again. Okay. Alright, so when we define a state like this, like, you know, if there's a single state, we need to assume that name, and when we have name and email, this will be false, right? There is no contract or there is no forcing that is done by the source code, right? So when we have a seal class, we have, yeah, but again it's like, you know, we need to balance that. Either we will need to create a single view state, or we need to have seal class but we'll need to duplicate this here, or we might be able to use, no, view action is not, shouldn't be here. Maybe I'll say I don't know if it's a good approach, creating a common version name loaded. Yeah, I think we should do it like this, but I don't know, I'm just still thinking. What is your opinion about this? You got the point, right? Tracy 2K. Maybe we don't need this is not needed here. Okay, that looks good. I don't know how that will no, this won't work, because when we is this approach usable for multiple screens? You mean having a seal class? I don't know, it would suit, it is suitable for declarative or compose. I was using this pattern in XML. Maybe okay, this is not a state actually. Version name is actually not a state. It's okay, I got it. Maybe we can solve this by introducing a new live data or state flow in the view model, because it's not a view state, isn't it? It's a simple data which won't change. How many years experience with Android you have? Not much. Alright, we'll introduce the version name here. I think that's the proper way to, yes. Actually, no need to pass the version name from here, but for the sake of MVVM, we are passing the data from here. That's it. Oh, it shouldn't be a state at all. It should be a variable. Why I complicate things? Yeah, it should be a val. Maybe we can even say it is like as a const val. Yeah, why need a state there? Stupid me. Yeah, you don't need the version name at all. Yeah, that's fine, that looks good. And in splash screen, yep. We should have the, okay, we have the version number here. Maybe we will declare this inside here. Yep. Yep. Yes, because this is a static data, it will be there. It won't change. It is not a state actually. I would create an extension file to provide the variable. Why do I need an extension function there? What is the issue with this, having this inside companion object? I mean, can you explain a bit? Griffin News. How do I say that? Hey, by the way, hello. It's static data which could be usable in other parts of the app. If you have the companion object in Splash View model, then you would have to import this class file. Yeah, that's right, but it's a version name. We are not going to use it anywhere right now. We have like only 3 or 4 screen stops, and even if I want to use this here or in other screens, I think then we can move that, right? What do you think? Then why not use a private variable? We need to access it from the, maybe we can say we can package protect it, but Do we have that internal? I think we need to remove this, and wait a second. Yeah, I think we can do that. I mean, internal is package protected or what? It's module protected, right? I think it's module protected. How do we do package protected? Package protection Kotlin. Kotlin compared Java seems to rely on package more to lesser degree. Okay, there is no package protection, I guess. Internal is there, but it's for module. So yes, you got the point, right? We need to access the version name from a different file, and or we don't even need to store it inside the view model. I'm just doing this because I want the view model to be the data source of this UI. That's it. Config is loading. Config is loaded. When it is loaded, we won't do anything. It's loaded, do nothing. We don't have anything to do here. Okay. For null and loading, we'll show the progress bar. For config error, we'll show an error. That looks cool. Actually, my name August, but nickname is Griffin. Okay, I just discovered you. Cool. Null being a view state looks odd. Yes, null being a view state looks odd. I agree with that. Maybe we can do something like here. Sorry, splash view state dot loading. Can I say that? No. What is the exact name of that class? I don't know if we can do this. I don't know if it's a good approach or not. I'm just giving it a try. Okay. So view state, you're saying that view state shouldn't be null. Then we will need to pass a default view state here. That's a good point actually. Yeah, that's good. Maybe we'll create something like get default view state, or we can also pass it through the constructor, right? View state, no, default view state, and this should be private. It shouldn't be val, blah 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 blah, and splash now should give an error. That should be config loading. I don't know how about that. What do you think about that approach? Now I think inside we do not have a null state. Sorry, we don't have a null state there. Maybe we also shouldn't throw emit view state there. That's okay. Let's see how that works. This progress should be somewhere here. Maybe we need to use some kind of column. Hey bro, just passing quickly to say hi. Hi Peter, how's it going? Thanks for visiting though. Thank you so much for visiting the stream. So I think that worked, but we need something pretty good. And you? Yeah, I'm doing awesome. I'm doing good. All right. What do we have here? Okay, now we need to do something when we have the data here. We need to save that. So we have the config here, or we can say config report or save remote config, and we will give the data back to it. Okay, that looks good. Now we go here. When there is an error, we will emit a new view state that is error, like config error, I call it config error. What is the reason? We'll get the reason from the API. We simply show that. Talking about the UI, currently the progress bar overlap the version number, so we will use some kind of column there, maybe. Yeah, it is expected. This is 20, this is 40, and we have a message. It shouldn't be, think this should be, yeah, this should be here. Say loading, and no, not that loading. I will give you that loading. Sorry, composable private fun loading. Okay, this should be called from a box scope. Yeah, and this should be a column, and oh, okay, I got it. Don't worry, got it. Okay, align bottom. Wait. Alignment bottom center, and we don't need this. And maybe we need modifier here. As Chris Bain said, everyone needs to get a modifier. Okay, here, all right. Now we have the loading, not this loading. Okay, that looks good. And actually we don't need the padding here, but probably here. And maybe we can put a spacer over here with height. I think we can directly type height and it will auto fix it. Okay, height of 10 dp. Then we have we'll display the progress first, then the text. Okay. Oh, what is this modifier doing here? We don't need this at all. Okay. Then also we don't need this single. Oh, that looks cute. Now let's see how that looks. Maybe we can preview this. Split. Build and refresh, right? We shouldn't have used this. We should have ran the app in the emulator. Now we do not have. Yes. That's okay. Maybe we need to play with the colors a bit. I think yes, we need to play with the colors. So theme color. What is the primary color here? Okay, for this app it will be dark color only. We won't be managing different variants. Yep, the primary color will be what? I don't know. Let's go pick some colors. Color generator online. Start the generator. Maybe we have. Do we have that here inside colors? Yes. Name that color will give the name, but I need some dark colors. Space. This looks good, I guess. I'm not going to use the entire theme. I need only one color. I copy this color and I come here. I say name that color. It will give me a name, and I say name 7 dark shades, and it will give me the 7 dark shade of that color. I don't need 7 shades. I need like 3 maybe. Maybe we can do some, we can skip this, make it more darker. Yeah. Yep, that looks fine. Daintree 800. Okay, we'll remove these colors, and then obviously we will get some builder. We'll go here, Daintree, then Daintree primary variant, Daintree 800 secondary, Daintree 1000. I need to see what is the accent color. Do we have an accent color here? No. We have primary on primary. Okay, so we'll say on primary will be color.white. On primary variant, we didn't do that? No, we don't have that. Okay, cool. Then on secondary, we'll call color.white. Surface will also be Daintree, and on surface will be color.white. Yeah. Now the app should look shit. Let's see. Not bad. Not bad at all. The status bar should be what? Why do we need colors XML? I think we don't need that. Yes, we'll get some errors. That's okay. We don't have a night variant. Status bar color will be the same as, I mean, this is the only place where we will use XML colors. So we can, I think we need to hard code this value. Yeah. Background is not, no, background is also the same. Maybe we need that color file. I should have deleted that. Can I roll back? Yes, give me one more file. Yeah, that's cool. Thank you so much. And we can use the same name that color extension to create, you know, the you can use the extension or plugin to give name to the colors in XML also. Daintree. Okay. Now we shouldn't see that white screen. Oh, there is a white screen. I think we also need to give window background. Is it? Need to give window background? Device default dot action bar. Wait a second. Why? Device default. Why is that? Why not material component? Because this is an XML app. Material comes from the compose dependency. That makes sense. Yeah, got it. Now what? We need a way to avoid that window background not available into the color Daintree. Let's see. Yeah, white screen gone, but why there is a delay? The API call, or let's look at that. Let's look at that. The state has thrown from here. Now there is a delay. Okay, if I don't have this delay, why do we have a delay there? Oh, because, but loading is thrown at the beginning. Yeah, and the also the logo. There was a utility method to log the recomposition, so we'll add that recomposition. Now log, log composition. Yep. So basically we can call log composition, right? Now we need to provide some tag first. This is logo, not logo, splash screen message rendering. So we'll search for this and see when it renders. Why? Build config, okay, yeah, and I think we can use timber here. We don't need tag at all. Also, come on, tag is not used. And why? That's a mistake, man. It's a mistake. Composition tag message ref value. Okay, that looks cool. Maybe. Oh yeah, but it's okay. That's fine. Let's give it a run. Let's see the rendering. So where is the rendering? Oh, we didn't call this timber dot plan. Oh, why do I see timber? Do we have log d? Yeah, but sorry, what am I doing? Debug tree. Wait. Okay. It's not because for some reason let's do one thing, okay? Let's splash view model created. Let's see when is it actually getting created. So we launch the app. It takes time. The heck, takes time to load stuff. Okay, we'll go to the main activity and we will move this to something called app navigation. Maybe we'll pass an app controller. Yeah, that sounds better. So now pause control, right? Yeah. All right. for some reason the entire compose takes some time to load the first screen. It's not related to API call or anything like that, or at least I think so. That's okay. We'll put a to do over here. Maybe we can put the log here. Sorry, main view model created, and let's disable the set content call and see if it can load faster. So no, it's not about, okay. We don't have a, okay, we are not also using it here, so just the sake of using it, I'll put it here. Okay, and now we should have some logs, I guess. Yeah, without that it loads. What about with compose? Let's wait for created. See main, wait. Okay, main model is created. Then it takes approximately yeah, takes around 1 second or 1.5, I don't know. Probably it's the time to initialize the navigation graph, I guess, injecting the view models. Yeah, probably, but that's okay. We will come back. Spanish still slow, also check release build also. Alright, now we have the splash, we have the config, we have save config, and yes, we have config ready in my opinion. We'll go to Trello. We will open the focused. We'll move splash. I think sync cache we also did. And what is remaining? Logo. Yes, we need a logo there. So for logo, we'll go to flat icon. We need some simple logo. Maybe we'll use an emoji. Focus emoji. This isn't focus. We can use this, but let's see if there's any logo available for focus. Camera focus, customer focus, business focus. What focus? People focus. Is that people focus? No, it's like targeting people. No, we need focus. What about productivity? Do we have any? I am very bad at choosing logo, so if there's anyone watching the stream, maybe you guys can suggest. This doesn't look good. This is not. What are we looking at? We need. So we need a logo. Maybe we need to search for focus. What is this? That was an ad. That was an ad. This. All right. We will need the white variant. We will need the white. Where is Twitter? Not Twitter. White please. Or we can use we probably will go with SVG. Yep. Oh, it's premium users only. That's very bad. I'm looking at from some free logos, and in that case we'll go with 128px bullseye. Or is Android Studio? Or is Android Studio? Android Studio image set, yeah. Downloads okay. Bullseye. Damn. Did I say launcher icons? How do I import a icon? Okay, vector set. Dump. Bullseye. It's the or not? No, it's not the image. Maybe. Oh, it's again. It's a PNG, dude. Why am I using vector? I'll call this IC logo, and we'll delete the Compose logo, and then slash should give us some compile error. Yeah, should be SE logo. Content resource, such a good boy providing content description and all. We'll see how that looks. We will see how that looks. Oh, it's blurred. I think we need better quality. PNG 256. Yep. Come in here. Refactor. Yeah. Delete this. IC logo. Come on, do it. Go. I think we should have called update activity. Yeah. Still we need to reduce the size, maybe 100 dB. Splash is fast. I don't like. Sorry, I didn't see that. again, please. We need to restart the entire app. Not bad, but I don't know. I need to check something. If I go to dashboard and say hello, will this update? No. Why are we seeing an error here? What is the issue? Come on. It's gone. Okay, now we have the logo. Where is the Trello board? Yep. We have the logo. Yes, we are done with Splash. Okay. No, we haven't. We need version check. Okay, it's been 3 hours and 16 minutes. I'll be ending the stream in 5 minutes or 3 minutes. Let's round it to 3 hours and 20 minutes. All right, meantime, what we will do, we'll say setup Splash. What was the last commit? What's Splash is setup Splash. Add config plus improve Splash contract. We need to call push origin. Yeah. Repo setup is done. Config is done. Splash, we need version check inside Splash. Oh no, we shouldn't call this here. Sorry. Why VCS doesn't work here? Yeah, we do have a remote, but what do we need here? Yeah, we have the config here. Okay, it dot not here, but what was the No, maybe I make a view state. Yeah, I need to put success after loading, and current version code the config version current version code, new version code, config mandatory version code, config. Okay, now we are going to compare this with current version code, mandatory version code. Current version code less than mandatory version code, need to update. Emit view action slash view action view model to UI render UI view model to UI notify one time event. Okay, this will show a dialog. So need update, need update. Yeah, need update. So we will redirect him to the Play Store or GitHub. Okay, we need to do that. Splash view to splash screen. Yeah. Okay, that's it for today. I'm gonna end the stream after I push this file. What do we do? Init version check. Alright. Init version check. Alright, cool. And yep. Alright. Okay, I'm going to end the stream. I'll see you tomorrow maybe. Bye bye.